Mortgage interest rates are high. Should you buy now or wait? I'm going to give you the exact advice that we're giving to our clients. And after that, I'm going to give you guys some things for you to consider, whether or not if it's right for you to buy now or wait. Okay, so there's really two types of buyers in the market right now. There's people that can buy, but just don't like the high rates. And then there are buyers who can't buy the property they want, but they can all still buy. What it really comes down to is your risk tolerance. You can buy today knowing what prices and rates are today. It's gonna give you some comfort in knowing what your monthly payment is, and it gives you certainty for those that have a low risk threshold. Or you take a gamble and you can wait until rates or prices come down, but we just don't know when that's going to be. Here's the problem. It could be 1 year, 3 years, 5 years down the road. And if so, are you able to wait that long? On the flip side, what if prices keep climbing and when prices do dip, it doesn't dip as much as you want or that you had hoped for, and or you're not able to time the market properly? Here's the truth. You don't know because life always changes. As an example, a lot can happen in 3 years' time, even 2 years. You could go from being single to finding your boo, getting married, and having a baby. So the property that you've been waiting to buy may change in the future. Now, let's say prices and rates do go down. Here's the biggest problem I see. Most people don't have the exact metrics of when they're gonna enter the market. So example, someone might be like, when rates hit 4%, or when the price of the home that I wanna buy hits $500,000, they will enter the market. But in that exact scenario, what if rates do go down 4%, but prices are higher than what you can get a mortgage for? Then waiting for 4% interest rates is not going to serve you. So the risk tolerance is really buying something with certainty or risk not even being able to get in the market. If you're in the market, values will go up, you can build equity, and you can move up into a bigger home. If you're not in the market, then you could become further away from buying and you risk renting for a longer period of time and or being a renter forever. So don't get caught up in finding the dream home, because all it is it's a stepping stone for you to get into real estate so you can sell in the future and move up into a bigger home. Here's what we know about real estate. You shouldn't wait to buy real estate. You should buy real estate and then wait. Here are some other factors for you to consider given today's high interest rate environment. If you buy today, you always have the opportunity to refinance in the future. Focus on your needs, not the rates. Dive deep into the reasons why you are buying. It could be moving to another neighborhood for a better quality of life. It could be proximity to work and or, a backyard for the kids. Focus on what truly matters, right? And I'm going to give you a very important tip. Prioritize in sequential order what is the most important thing between these three things: the budget, your home, or your location. Your home is things like your floor plan, features of the home, the size of the backyard. The location is the area, the community, even down to the street of a community that you want to be in. Now, if you're looking to buy and you're juggling all these different data points and information and you're feeling a little bit cloudy, give us a call, because we help our clients get really clear on what's important. And in this market where it is competitive for buyers to get property, you should really focus on the property itself and getting our offer accepted, not on, I like this house, but it has this, doesn't have that. When you're working with an experienced agent, you have much more clarity to move forward, which in turn will give you more confidence in the home you're buying and give you less stress. Some buyers have price out concerns, meaning some buyers fear that waiting may lead to higher property prices, which is gonna outweigh the benefit of a potential rate drop. Mortgage over renting. Now, rents can increase and sometimes unpredictably. In Alberta, we don't have rent controls like BC. So owning a home offers stability. With a mortgage, you're not only securing a consistent monthly payment, but also you're investing in your future. Equity growth. Now, with every mortgage payment, it contributes to paying down your principal and building equity. Think of this as a savings account that grows over time. Investment view. Now, despite higher rates, owning a home can be a strategic move. Real estate goes up over time, so a home can be a home, but also an appreciating asset. And finally, financial comfort. You don't have to stretch yourself thin. Find a balance between your dream home and your financial well-being. Your future self will love you for it. So hopefully that has given you guys some tangible information for you to consider whether or not you should buy a home now or a home in the future, given the high interest rate environment we're in. If you need some support, some guidance, some advice for your home buying journey, let us know. It's not our first rodeo, and we'll be able to give you that clarity you need so you can bring down your stress and move forward with intention and clarity. My name is Felix Chan, Calgary realtor and mortgage broker with Real Broker, and we'll see you in the next video.